Hello, friends. Are you ready to gently step into the world of automation control? Take a breath and let me share something calming yet powerful with you. Say goodbye to limited workflows and capped executions. Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS hosting offers you high-value, low-cost automation with truly endless possibilities. Let me walk you through this in a simple, heartwarming way. Hostinger provides four wonderful options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plans for self-hosted n8n. And here's the beautiful part. When you use my special partnership checkout link, you'll receive an extra 20% discount on any plan you choose. With a regular coupon code, you'd only get 10% off, so you're essentially receiving double the love with my automatically applied coupon code. Here's what to do, step by step. I've thoughtfully provided automatic coupon codes for all available countries in the description box and comment section, organized by your country, currency, and language. Once you click on your country's link, you'll be welcomed to Hostinger's official website. Simply click on Self-Hosted N8N on the right side of the navbar, and you'll see all the available plans. Choose whichever feels right for your needs. My 20% discount embraces all of them. I'm personally choosing the KVM2 plan, and you can see how the 20% discount is automatically, effortlessly applied at checkout. A gentle reminder, consider the maximum duration option since Hostinger doesn't offer renewal coupon codes. A friendly note, try using a fresh email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to welcome this discount into your life. Enjoy your journey with self-hosted n8n hosting through Hostinger. Thank you, my dear friends, sending love to you and to the wonderful world of n8n.